Hi, my name is Rick. I learned about Rojas a couple of years ago, several years ago actually, when most of my neighbors were getting their roofs done. And I observed how each of the companies was handling the job and was very impressed with Rojas. Well, I called the office and told them of my observations of the Rojas crew across the street and asked to have somebody come out and give me a quote. Within a couple of days, Chris came out, walked my roof, talked about the different products that were available and the different options, and pretty much decided on that day to go forward with the project. I was impressed with just the overall professionalism of the crew. They're obviously experienced and know what they're doing. I was also impressed with both the care with which they did their work. They protected our landscaping around the building, around the house. They were mindful of being safe while up on the roof, using safety harnesses, and that impressed me. Well, I was impressed with Chris because he's an entrepreneur. He and his brother started the company. I like dealing with family-owned businesses. There's a bit more pride and commitment to quality of work and customer service, and Chris embodied that through every step of the process.